Shalom. Today we're going to discuss visiting rights, which is an issue that falls under family law. My name is Michael Decker, and I'm a lawyer within the law offices of Decker, Pick, Ophir & Co. And as mentioned, today we will discuss visiting rights, since our office handles family law. And specifically, I wanted to begin by explaining the terms in Hebrew, because I'm an Israeli lawyer and we're dealing with Israeli law, and therefore also with Israeli terms. This ambiguity that I'm going to explain doesn't really exist in English, but in Hebrew the term used to be Hesderei Riyah, which means arrangements of seeing the child. And even though the term seeing might have a broader meaning than just looking at someone, the direct connotation isn't so accurate, and mainly fathers felt discriminated by this term and felt that this term isn't up to date and relevant even. So today the term used in Hebrew, and this was approved by the Israeli Bar Association, is Chalukat Zmanei Shahut, which means the arrangement of, like in English, visiting or habitation rights of the relevant parent with the children. Also today, because of the modern era, it's easier to see people. So a parent can easily see a child on WhatsApp video, on Zoom. That doesn't mean that he's actually visiting the child and spending real time and habitation with the child. Shahut, or residence with the child. So basically the term that is used in Hebrew today is Chalukat Zmanei Shahut, and this is very important for both parents to spend actual time with the children, and also it's important for the child's welfare to have both parents raising him to the extent possible on an equal level. When the visiting rights are breached, and it's very important that parents try to reach an agreement between them, and if agreements aren't reached, usually the judge will just enforce an arrangement. But when this arrangement is breached, the courts in Israel see it in a very severe way, and the parent that his rights or her rights were breached can go to court and ask for sanctions, including contempt of court. And this happens oftenly. In any case, if you have any matter like this, or questions or clarifications, you can feel free to contact us, and we'll be happy to be of assistance. Thank you very much for your time.